Hey everyone, hope you're doing fine. In this video, I'm going to review one of the best pack offering by easyedit.pro. The pack is called Hypergraphic Pack. This pack contains more than 1600 compositions with 25 different categories, which include sound effects, transitions, lower thirds, typography titles and slides, logo reveals, and UI elements as well. So without further any ado, let's jump into the video and let's see what they are providing to us. So here is the official website of easyedit.pro. As you can see, the website is really clean and minimalistic. Everything is categorized very properly. So at the very top, as you can see, there are some pack on sale. You can check it out. And at the very bottom, you can see there are a lot of the pack they are offering. They are offering some title pack, transitions pack, hyper pack, which is containing the mixture of something like transition, title, lower thirds, and many more. You can also get the YouTube packs right here. If you are a YouTuber, then this pack obviously help you a lot. You can also get Instagram stories. So if you are an Instagram influencer, then this pack is obviously help you a lot. So I have a good news for all of you. easyedit.pro doing giveaway on this channel for my YouTube viewers. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do, just subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below pack do you like the most of easyedit.pro and you really want it for your next project. So they choose random people and give them that pack for free. So all the best for the giveaway, and don't forget to comment down your best pack of easyedit.pro. So the next thing we have to be talk about is easyedit viewer plus assets. It is actually the plugin for After Effects and Premiere Pro. You just need to download it for free and just install it. It automatically added in your Premiere Pro plugin section or in your After Effects as well. So here is the pack that today we are going to be talking about. It included 1600 plus compositions with 25 different categories for Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, for Final Cut Pro as well. You can check it out according to your software right here. They are mentioning something features about their pack. Here you can see there are categories of your pack. You can be preview different categories from here. Here is the detail of this pack. Its sales is around 322 sales. Its last update is 17 January. The file size is around 4.55 GB, which is pretty fine. The resolution you can be resizable. You can be changed according to your project settings. You can be change the fonts, color, everything you want to be categorized. So if we want to talk about the prices is pretty fine. They are just charging $15 for your lifetime license for your personal use. So you can also try it for free for just a trial version like. So if you want to buy it, if you want to use it, you can do it just $15, and I think so the price is pretty fine. So once you get the free plugin of easyedit.pro, it just looks like this. You just need to install this for using your pack which you actually buy. So we have to install this. It just take a few seconds to install, and yep, that's done. So now we have to be install the viewer. Here you can see we have update. We just need to be updated, and in a few seconds it just done, and it automatically added in our Premiere Pro or After Effects which we are using. And yeah, here you can see it is done. So now let's close it and open our Premiere. So here we're right inside of Adobe Premiere. So if I go in the Windows, and here we go to an option of extension, and as you can see it automatically added in our extension option. So I'm just open it. It just took 2 or 3 seconds to upload in your Premiere, and here you go. As you can see, we got an extension which is actually easyedit viewer. So here we got a viewer, store, and assets as well. So if you press store, it just open the easyedit.pro store for you. But if you press assets, it just open the asset option for you, which is around million of free assets for you. You can check it out and put in your video whatever you want for free. So it is actually free. It doesn't matter you buy the pack or not. You just install the easyedit viewer extension and you got the free assets from here. So here you can see here is a logo of easyedit viewer. So let's hide this, and now we have a preview of it. So here we have a hypergraphic pack for Premiere Pro. So now at the very left side you can see we have different categories right here. The first category we got is typography slides. So if we just drop down, and we got a different categories in typography as well. So I want to go with some basics. So here we have some typography. So what we actually need to do is just press on the title what we want to be add in our timeline, and it is done within a few seconds. So as you can see, it is just added in our timeline. So now let's preview it. So as you can see, it is a simple typography we can be added in our timeline. So if I go to Windows, I got an option of essential graphics. So you don't need to be install the fonts or something like that. You just change your fonts according to your choice right here. As you can see, I'm just select my title. So here at the essential graphic panel, I got everything for categorize. I changed the font, I changed the text, I changed the color, position, everything whatever I want to be changed. So now let's move to the logo reveals. As you can see, they are putting around 20 logo reveals for us. So if we don't have an intro or outro, we can be just make it in a few seconds. So here is the logo reel for YouTuber. So I really appreciate it for that. So here you can see it is a simple intro for YouTuber. If you don't have time, you can be created it within a few seconds. So now let's talk about the titles. They are mentioning many titles right here. Here they are providing preview as well. You can be choose according to your choice, according to your project requirement. So this title is really good for me. So now let's preview it. As you can see, the title is really cool. You can be change the color, text, font, everything whatever you want. So now let's talk about the social media elements they are providing to us. They are providing some categories in social media. If you are a YouTuber and you want to add some subscribe button, then they are providing a free subscribe button right here. You don't need to be make it, just go with the subscribe button option and you got a free subscribe option right here. You just need to change the text, your channel name and your picture, and you're done within a few seconds. They are providing some links, stories and posts right here. You can be change it and you're done within a few seconds. They are providing some UI elements. If you need it, you can be done it within a few seconds. They are providing some lower thirds. You can be mention your name, your icon, everything whatever you want. They are providing some infographic elements right here. You can be add a timeline, you can add the graphic or everything whatever you want. So here is the colors they are providing to us, and that's a really pretty fine pack, I think so, I ever review. So here is the boom of this pack is transitions. They are providing really good transitions for the user. They categorize their transitions into two categories, flat and seamless. So I really go with seamless because I really don't like flat one. So here is the seamless transition they are providing to us. So I really want to use this transition. So here is a proper method to use these transitions. So I just click on it and it automatically added a file in my timeline. So I have to delete this both, and now I have to go with project file. Here I got a easyedit.pro folder, open it, and now I got a rotate elastic right here. So here I got a file. So I need to be drop it on my timeline. So as you can see, we have a file, user file, so we have to be deleted. It included the sound effects, so that's a pretty fine I ever use. So now let's preview it. So as you can see, the transition is really clean. It's a very good transitions. So overall this pack is really good. They are providing many more things in a few charges. So as you can see, they are providing a lot of that transition. You can be check it out right here. So the next, they are providing backgrounds. They are providing a lot of the backgrounds right here. You just need to click and you're done within a few seconds. And the second last option they are providing is element. In element, they are categorized something like simple, gradient and complex. You can be choose it if you really need in your project. So at the end, they are providing sound effects. If you are looking for some opener sound effects, then this pack is also help you a lot. They are providing sound effects for your openers, for pop-up sounds, and for different categories. So overall this pack is really good. They are providing you a lot of things like 600 plus compositions for your Premiere, for your After Effects in just $15 US for lifetime. And I think so this reel isn't bad. So I really recommended you go with this pack, and I also mentioned the link in the description below. Check it out. So yeah, here is the video of today. I hope you get something helpful from this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any problem about this tutorial or any other tutorial. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.